Hello to you newcomers and welcome back, my lovely subscribers. This is the Galactic Armory and I am the Big Baby. Today, I thought I'd give you guys an update on my application into the 501st for the Coruscant Guard Officer from Battlefront 2, as well as go over a few things I've had to fix. So let's get right into it. As you guys may know, there is no other trooper like this in the 501st with this specific build, so that means we have to build the CRL, or the Costume Reference Library, from scratch. This means that if anyone else wants to complete this build, they will probably use my photos as reference. This process can take several months, which is why I wanted to give you guys an update. So far, I've had to make two changes that were thankfully pretty small. The first was pretty easy to fix, and that was the center stripe along the abdominals. For the longest time, I thought the darker coloring was just the shadows from the chest piece. It wasn't until after I submitted the photos that someone mentioned it actually is a darker color and is not a shadow. So to fix this, all I had to do was tape off the area and spray paint it with a dark gray. Like I said, this one was an easy fix. The second fix was a bit more difficult. They came back and said the detonator end caps on the belt are the wrong shape, and they are definitely right. Mine were flat compared to the in-game where they have a few more details like a little rectangle band and like a little nipple in the center. So for this fix, I knew I was going to have to do some modeling. Luckily, this is a pretty simple shape to do in Fusion 360, so I just modeled the proper end caps and 3D printed a new detonator from this file. I just used some Bondo and sanded it down smooth to get it ready for painting. And I gave it the same matte white paint as the rest of the armor and glued it onto the belt with some E6000. Once both of those things were fixed, I resubmitted my photos, but I haven't heard back since. They did say that they've looked it over pretty well and that if everything looks proper, I'll have to suit up one more time for the a final full body photo shoot. I'm not sure when I'll hear back about the updated photos, but I thought I'd give you guys an update so you're not in the dark about the status of this project. We'll definitely have to celebrate once this build gets approved, and I can't wait to share that with you guys when it happens. With that being said, thanks for watching, and I hope to see you guys again in the next video.